welcome to another brilliant week. I hope you've had a fantastic rest this weekend and are ready for another week of working really hard, whether you're at school or whether you're at home working. We're going to start, as we always seem to in these assemblies, with saying well done to all of the children who earned themselves a merit sticker, I guess, last week. So let's find out. Okay, in reception, we've got one for Otto, who made a super journey map, one for Eve, who did fantastic number work, and one for Maya for her brilliant reading. In year one, we have got one for Winnie for finding her smile and brightening up the school with all of her amusing stories. One for Sophia, who's been working so hard to improve not only her handwriting, but also her spelling and story writing. One for Harriet, who always works hard and tries her very, very best. And one for Benjamin, who, just like Harriet, always works hard and tries his very best. Moving on to year two, we've got one for Flora, who worked hard all of last week, but especially for her food chain artwork. One for Isaac for a wonderfully detailed book review. One for Olive, who did some fantastic research on the Big Five in their topic and ICT work. One for Ottilie, I like this reason, Ottilie. It says, for always being determined to improve her work. And finally, we've got one for Rafe, for fantastic persuasive writing. Well done, congratulations to all of you. I will make sure these certificates get to you, along with a merit sticker. Now, some of you may also have noticed I've got the Star Awards in here, and that's because I'm going to be giving out some silver awards to 3 children in year one who now have 45 rocket points, and they can add this to their blazer along with the purple award and bronze award, which are already sitting on their blazers. So those 3 people are Benjamin, Carmen, and Oliver. Well done, you 3. I will make sure I get these to you as soon as possible, because I know you'll be very, very pleased to receive them. So in our assemblies this half term, we've been thinking about the importance of being determined to achieve the things we want to achieve. And I've put a poster on the board here today which says, make every step count. Now if I think to last week when we had a picture of Colonel Sir Captain Tom Moore, he definitely made every step that he did around his garden count as he raised all of that money for charity. And in our story last week, we had the story of the little penguin who was determined to fly. And he definitely, maybe not every step, made every flap of his wing count in his determined approach to learn how to fly. But you know, it's not always easy. Sometimes we can really, really want to do something, but maybe it takes more work than we thought it might. When I was a little girl, about the age of some of you, and I was learning to swim, I found it really, really difficult. And each week, I would get more and more sad, more and more grumpy at the fact that everybody else seemed to be able to do it really easily. Everyone except for me. And as the weeks went by, all of the other children in my group learned how to swim, and they were able to get out of the training pool and go into the big pool. And I used to watch them go and feel so very, very jealous that they were off into the big pool, where I knew they would have lots of fun, and yet I was still stuck in the little pool, still not being able to learn how to swim. And then the day came when it was just me left in that pool. And all I really wanted to do was get out, stomp off to the changing room and say, I can't do it. I'm not going to learn how to swim. But I had a swimming teacher who was really kind, and she said, do you know, we need to just take it one step at a time. Let's work really hard on how you kick your legs, and then we'll work really hard on how you move your arms, and then we'll see if we can put it all together. Now, it didn't happen straight away. It still took lots of weeks. But one day, I managed to work out how to make my arms and legs work together, and I could swim. And I was able to get out of that pool and get into the big pool and join all my friends with the lots of swimming adventures. But if I hadn't been determined, I probably still wouldn't be able to swim now. And the story I've chosen today reminds me of when I was a little girl learning to swim, and that teacher who said to me, just take it one step at a time. And this week's story is called Little One Step. We're lost, said the eldest duckling. We won't be far, said the middle one. I want my mama, whispered the little one. My legs feel all wobbly. Tell you what, said his older brother. Have you tried doing one step? What's that? Said the little one. Watch carefully, said his brother. Just lift one foot like this and say one. One, said the little one. Then put it down in front and say step. Step, said the little one. Then start again with the other foot, said his brother. Can I practice for a bit? Said the little one. I think you've got it, said his eldest brother. We'll call you Little One Step from now on, said his middle brother. One step, said Little One Step, until he looked up at the tall trees. Oh, it's no good, he said. My legs feel all wobbly again. Did you forget to do one step? Said his eldest brother. Oh, yes, I suppose I did, said Little One Step. I'll try again. One step. There, he said. One step, said Little One Step. At last they reached a clearing. The river was down below. If we crossed across the field, we'll be home, said the little one. I can't walk all that way, said Little One Step. I want my mummy. We're nearly there, said his eldest brother. Just do one step. One step, said Little One Step. Little One Step marched through the field, past his brothers, through the undergrowth, into a clearing. Mummy! It's you! Shouted Little One Step. My baby, said Mummy. My boys, said Mama. Hello, Mama, said the brothers. We're so glad to see you. Little One Step led them all down to the river. At the water's edge, he stopped. Mum, do you know my new name? He asked. Little One Step, said Little One Step, and in he went. I wonder if you can understand how that story reminded of me when I was a little girl, when I was learning to swim. I had to take it one step at a time. Also had to be determined, to really want to do it. And just like Little One Step really wanted to get home to see his mummy, I really wanted to be able to swim and have fun with all my friends. And because I was determined and made every step count, I achieved my goal. Now the song we're going to sing today is a perfect song for this theme. It's called Every Step Counts. Now I know we haven't sung it for quite a while in pre-prep, but I know some of you, if you dust off the cobwebs in that hippocampus, will be able to remember it. And if you can't remember it straight away, you can just join in with the action. So, let's get up on our feet. So lots of marching.
Every step
remembered that and had a good sing-along. Well, let's light the candle. Pop your hands together. Close your eyes and make this prayer your own by saying Amen at the end. Dear God, help me remember to be like little one step when I am trying to achieve my goals, and to remember that every step is important, no matter how big or small. Help me today and every day. Amen. Wow, I wonder if any of you are still being determined to achieve something. And this week, make every step count. Well, have a wonderful week. I look forward to seeing all the things you've been getting up to. And I'll see you for another assembly next week. Bye-bye.